Hello everyone. Today is a very special day because I am so proud of myself. आज मैं अकेली गई आलियान के साथ, अकेली तो नहीं, आलियान के साथ बैंक, क्योंकि हमारा आज बैंक कार्ड आ गया. Went to the bank, got money deposited. It was like far away. और जो स्टेशन पे मैं गई वहाँ पे लिफ्ट नहीं थी, तो मैंने आलियान को प्राइम में से निकाला, कैरी किया, like it was a hassle. But I did it and I'm so proud of it. So now that we have our card, we no longer need to like carry so much cash. And basically कुछ जगहों पे I was just using my Pakistani card, so that was like a huge hit for us. तो अब finally कार्ड आ गया है, बैंक के अंदर पैसे आ गए हैं थोड़े से, बहुत थोड़े से हैं. तो we're gonna use that. I am in the meantime learning money. क्योंकि कॉइन्स बहुत जमा हो गए एंड आई नीड टू स्टार्ट नो कि कौन सा कॉइन क्या है. सॉर्टेड. दिस इज 2 pence, 1 pence, राइट. बहुत सारी करेंसी है. दीज आर ऑल 5 pences, दीज आर 50 pences, दीज आर 20 pences, दिस इज 1 pound एंड दीज आर 2 pounds. ये पूरे 10 pound बन गए. खड़े हो. क्या है आपके हाथ में, मुझे दिखाएं आप. आई गिव यू अनदर वन. दिस इज अ 20 pence, सो आई गिव यू. Here, you can have this one, 1 pence. Put it in your pocket. Oh, इसमें तो pocket ही नहीं है. ये वाली दिखाएं साइड में है. Oh, यहाँ तो pocket ही नहीं है. There's no pocket in this. इसमें रख लें. Truck में. Keep it in your truck. Yeah, good job. Guys, okay. The best thing, which I feel was missing from my life, was parks. And I didn't know that till I actually started going to parks. And London is famous for parks. I mean, I don't know if it is, but I guess. यहाँ पे बहुत parks हैं. हमारे घर के पास एक ही बहुत बड़ा सा park है called Ravenscourt Park, and it is so pretty. Like I can come here to shoot some videos. I know me. What do you think? It's a nice place. आज बारिश हो रही थी, but अभी रुक चुकी है. And I checked the weather. It's not supposed to rain, बस cloudy है. But this park is so green, and apparently they have ducks here. And oh, I see swings as well, so I think Alian's gonna enjoy. Look at that, the lush green fields. Ali is now out. Is that a plane? Is that a plane, Ali? Be careful, guys. Suddenly we have so many birds. I think उनको लग रहा है हमारे पास खाना है, but हमारे पास कोई खाना नहीं है. वो कर दो सबको.
क्या बुका 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 कर दो.
Guys, we found the ducks. And Alian ने ढूंढ लिए हैं वो. खड़े हुए देख रहे हैं. अली कितनी सारी डक्स हैं, आप काउंट कर सकते हैं? हैं कितनी है? काउंट करें. 1 2 3. ओह वो देखो बाहर निकल रही हैं वो डक्स.
कबूतर.
Guys, we found a park. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्विंग्स वगैरह भी लगे हुए हैं. मतलब इस पार्क के अंदर ही एक सेक्शन बना हुआ है. एंड दैट लुक्स सो मच फन. जी, यू वांट टू गो ऑन द स्विंग? ओह माय गॉड. ओह डैडी स्टक. wishy washy wishy washy wishy washy. Guys, बहुत मज़ा आया. This park was so nice. I really liked it. I think on a nice sunny day you can have a nice picnic. आप लोगों के साथ आए. यहाँ benches बनी हुई हैं, बैठ के आप खाएं. आलियान भागेगा. Like a nice picnic. Would love that. So much fun. But I think now we're gonna head back home because अब आलियान का bedtime होने वाला है. So that's the plan. Stick करें सही से. Press करें इसको. Press it.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did.
Guys, I'm just sorting out laundry to put away. आलियान की नीचे जाती है and सबसे ज़्यादा कपड़े जो हैं वो आलियान के ही धुलते हैं as expected. So I'm just doing that and then we are gonna put him to bed. Like रात के तकरीबन जब 9 बजते हैं ना, यहाँ पे मेरी आँखें जो है ना ऑटोमेटिकली बंद होना शुरू हो जाती हैं. So just gonna have dinner after we put him to bed and then I am so ready to hit the bed as well. Hello हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग अस्सलाम वालेकुम. आज है फ्राइडे. इट्स एन एक्साइटिंग डे बिकॉज आज मुझे जाना है एक इन्फ्लुएंसर इवेंट इन लंदन. माई फर्स्ट एवर इन्फ्लुएंसर इवेंट. आई वॉज सपोज टू मीट रमशूजा एंड लास्ट वीक, बट मेरी कज़न आ गई एंड आई वॉज लाइक सॉरी आई कांट मीट यू. वो एक दिन के लिए आई है तो शी लाइक नो वरीज एंड लेट्स मीट ऑन फ्राइडे. देयर इज दिस इन्फ्लुएंसर इवेंट एंड आई विल गेट यू ऑन द लिस्ट इफ यू वांट टू कम. आई वाज लाइक that's perfect. So we're going together. I mean, we say together. I mean, she's coming by herself. I'm going by myself. But we plan to meet there. And usse pehle, I need to get my face sorted. Eyebrows, upper lips, everything. So I'm gonna head out. The little monkey is following me. He's gonna make a fuss if he sees me going out. So we're gonna have to be very, very quiet. Ali, Daddy क्या कर रहे हैं? What you doing? अंकल से बात कर रहे हैं. आए इधर आए देख के आते हैं डैडी को. Come. Okay, we're out of the house. आलियान को ज़रा इधर उधर करके I have left. Numan is looking after him. I've found this threading place. Oh, I should have brought a jacket. It's a little chilly. Anyway, धूप में आएंगे तो ऐसे ही हो जाए. Yeah, so that's where I'm going for my threading. And full face threading मैंने book किया. So I booked an 11:30 slot. That's so strange, like you have to book slots. I'm like used to walking in, but यहाँ पे I feel like because people plan everything, so they sort of book things. So I have booked and now I am walking there. I will let you know my experience once I get there. Guys, okay, all done. I feel human. मैंने आई थिंक आने से 1 महीने पहले थ्रेड कराया था एंड लाइक लेज़र सेशन के बाद मेरी ग्रोथ काफ़ी स्लो है. सो लाइक इट डजंट कम वेरी क्विकली. इट टेक्स अ वाइल टू कम एंड दैट्स वाई मैंने लाइक शादी लाइक मेरी नंद की शादी से पहले कराया था. सो ऑब्वियसली नाउ आई नीडेड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ यू नो अपकीप. मैं चला लेती और बट बिकॉज वी हैव एन इवेंट टुडे आई जस्ट वांटेड टू लाइक गेट इट डन. So it's done now. बहुत अच्छी जगह थी. Basically I went to this Primark और Primark के अंदर उन्होंने एक ब्यूटी स्टेशन लगाया हुआ है एंड वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर जो काम करने वाले थे I think they were Punjabi. So I asked her कि like do you speak Urdu, Hindi? She's like yeah I understand both. I was like perfect. I gave her all the instructions and it was great. Yeah, it was £27 for the full face thread, which is I don't know if that's bad or not, if that's good because obviously मैंने अभी तक दूसरी जगहों पे prices compare नहीं किए हैं. I've just only looked at this and it seemed like a nice place, like I would go back क्योंकि काफ़ी like I went in, got it done, that's it. So yeah, overall my experience was quite nice. Numan अभी नमाज पढ़ के आए हैं because it's a Friday and look what he's brought. Samosa and roll. Ali, nom nom. Also, I feel like I'm too loud. I'm like that desi person who's just too loud. Because हमारी आदत है ना हम थोड़े से ज़ोर से बोलते हैं. हमें ऐसा होता नहीं मसला कि बराबर वालों के घर आवाज़ जा रही होगी. यहाँ पे I'm sure हमारी आवाज़ जाती होगी. Can I get used to it? We will start speaking less loud. Guys, I'm ready. All set. I'll show you my outfit. This is what I am wearing. This solid scored set. I hope it's istri sahi rahe till I get there. And then I've just put a coat on top because we never know how cold it's gonna be. And मैंने सुना है कि from Ramsha only कि everyone comes really dressed up. I don't have a lot of dressy outfits. I mean, suitcase में नहीं आया and my shipment is not here. So we're just gonna wear this. I could be severely underdressed for the event, but I've put on fancy earrings. So hopefully ये cover up कर लें सारी चीज़ों के लिए. Let's go. I am on the way. Basically, we're planning on reaching at 7, so it's 6:15. 45 minutes का रास्ता है यहाँ से. So I'm now on my way. I have to go to the train station, take the Piccadilly line, and then I have to walk for another 15 minutes. But hopefully, I'm sure I'll get there on time. Let's go. Guys, I've been wondering where all the desis in London were. They're here in Wembley. Literally, I arrived and I was like, this is only brown people. This is my people. अच्छा लग रहा है because the area we're in is like predominantly white. तो आपको like देसी एक दो दिखते हैं. But here it's just like shops भी वही. ये देखिए खुस्से मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. And like there's this vegetarian shop. मंदिर भी था पीछे. So yeah, it's a very like I'm sure यहाँ पे बहुत Indian Pakistani है. To event that's also at a Pakistani restaurant, so it's fitting. Like I'm sure there's a lot of desis here. Oh look, wedding dress shop. Oh, I haven't seen this so far. Guys, this is where I have to go, but I have to cross from the signal because this is a very busy road, and I don't want to be like jumped by a car. And I'm just gonna walk to the signal. Guys, I found Shah Rukh Khan. There he is. Rohit, please. Guys, this is the food, and I also want to have these fries. Oh wow, the food looks really good, by the way. Guys, okay. You already know Ramsha. Hello, this is my YouTube. Hi. Hello. Hi. So I've met some lovely ladies here, and they've all been super nice about me connecting with people in London. Did not expect to find such a lovely bunch, so I'm really happy. और ये सारा खाना है. Ramsha is introducing me to everybody, which is very sweet. Sorry, मैं खाना खाते. Guys, chai is here, and there's some sort of announcement.
Firstly, Adnan Bhai is very tired, so he's told.
Guys, I met a very nice person. Her name is Sana, and she runs Soul Sisters here.
Yeah.
Which I'm gonna join, and she very kindly dropped me to the station because बहुत लंबी walk थी. And thank you so much for coming all the way. And hopefully, as soon as I get a house, I'm gonna call you guys. You have to come. So yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna go. I have my station right here. Guys, now I'm home. I had the loveliest pasta that Numan made. Now and we're watching Harry Potter. I've made myself tea. I think I'm losing my voice because it's been बहुत बातें की हैं. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Okay, guys, we are in South Hall today. ऐसे हम घर बैठे हुए थे, हमने सोचा कि हम South Hall चलते हैं. It's in West London only, so it was like what 45 minutes away from where we are, which isn't bad. तो हम यहाँ आए, हमें एक सुपरमार्केट मिली. एक सेकेंड वेट. हमें एक सुपरमार्केट मिली, हमने वहाँ से कुछ चीज़ें खरीदी. Yeah, guys, look, we also have Lux. Guys, this place has everything basically. आप अपनी पूरी monthly grocery कर सकते हैं, but it's just so far away. You have to carry everything, which is not ideal. Guys, we found Pakola. Do you want to pick it up? Guys,
Looking for a bigger one.
looking for a bigger one. Found Pakola, guys. We are in South Hall today. It's been a journey up here, but actually no, it wasn't that far away. And हमने काफ़ी सारी like शान मसाले टाइप चीज़ें पकड़ी. हाँ उठा रहे हैं डैडी, जूस उठा रहे हैं.
तो बैग में से दे दो.
ओके, जूस पीना है अली को. ये देखें, आलिया ने सारे खा के यहाँ फेंके हुए हैं. Now we are on the lookout for paratha roll. Let's see if we can find them. बहुत मूड है पराठा रोल खाने का, hot and spicy, red apple type, you know. वो मिल जाए ना तो सीन ऑन हो जाए. Guys, we found the roll, guys. शाही नान कबाब, चिकन टिक्का रोल हमें मिल रहे हैं. Man's just getting them. Literally, as I was saying कि वो मिल जाए और हमारे सामने ये शॉप आई, and I was like, dude, I think यहाँ पे हो सकता है. और देखें और क्या लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे. गाइस, आलियान थोड़े क्रेजी हो गए थे, तो हमने सोचा कि हम यहाँ बैठ जाते हैं, इनको बाहर निकाल लेते हैं और कुछ हमारे जो रोल हमने ऑर्डर किया वो खा भी लेते हैं. तो अभी बन रहे हैं फिलहाल हमारे रोल. आई जस्ट होप यू आर गुड. आ रहा आली हमनम. गाइस, मैंने आलियान को पैंट उल्टी पहना दी. ओप्सी. Guys, I was thinking a paratha roll would be a roll, but it's like this. So we're thinking of rolling it.
दुबई वाले ने खरीद लिया.
Guys, नुमान बता रहे हैं कि ये क्या है.
मैं नहीं बता रहा. I'm not sure.
You're not sure, but he
This
thinks.
is not HBA.
This is not HBI, I know this is Habib Bank. And
Separate bank. अभी bank is Europe.
yeah, exactly. And this is Aegis Zurich. I think जिसका part जो कि हमें लगता है दुबई ने कुछ पार्ट खरीदा था, तो ये वो है. But okay, यहाँ पे HBL है क्या? नहीं है. Sad. Remember I talked about Tariq Halal chicken, and how it was like, oh look Numan, यहाँ पे कुछ marinated चीज़ें हैं, and how it was good. We found their whole outlet. Look, they have so much marinated stuff. Sizzling shawarma chicken, spicy Mexican, peri peri drumsticks. Oh wow, what is that? Tandoori lamb. Okay. Guys, मेरे बच्चे का हाल देखें आप. ये दे मैंने नई शर्ट पहनाई थी, अभी चेंज कराई थी रास्ते में. Ali, let me see your hands. क्या किया ये आली ने? गाइस हमने चाट ली है. कैसी है, मजे की है? आलियान को खानी है मगर वो थूक रहे हैं, उनको बस सिर्फ चमचा चाहिए.
Not bad.
Guys, we are now leaving South Hall. I think हमने इनकी पूरी high street देख ली है. We saw all the shops. We got Aliyan a ball. But now he's getting a little cranky because it's 8 बजने वाले हैं. And he usually goes to bed around 9. So we're like, let's just go home now. हमें दूध लेना है because we don't have any दूध. So we might have to pick something up. Let's see कि अगर हमें यहीं से मिल जाए, because हमारे घर के पास तो नहीं मिले शायद. That's the plan. Where are we going? We're going home. We're going home. Yeah, good job. बैठ के जाते हैं. Good job मेरी जान. Very good boy. So हमें कल साउथ हॉल से काफ़ी सी चीज़ें मिल गई थी. We got चाय की पत्ती. We got this तारिक हलाल chicken की sweet lemon and lime, garlic lime something. Chicken जिसका मैं आलियान के लिए भी कर रही हूँ. And I'm gonna make some chai with the Brook Bond red tea. I haven't found Tapal की chai anywhere. So if you guys know कहाँ मिलेगी, let me know in the comments down below and I will literally check that place. ये South Hall पे एक बड़ा सा store था. Honestly, I should have seen the name, but I didn't have it. बहुत सारे stores थे. Like as soon as you get off the South Hall train station, आप like walk करें to your right towards the market और line से stores हैं. Mangoes थे वहाँ पे, बहुत चीज़ें थी. So we got this from there. But I want to find Tapal ki danedar. Just watch the clip back to see I had some cream here. Wow. Perks of living alone all by yourself.